Today we'll discuss about object methods, and there are minor subtleties involved in each of the style. So here we define a tweet object which has a tweet name properties, and we define like object method in two different style. Like this is the first one is like arrow syntax, and second one is the shorthand syntax where we are returning this tweet name. In both the case, we are trying to return this tweet name. But one important thing to note here is that in the arrow syntax, this won't represent or point to this tweet object instance. Rather, this will point to the window object. If there is, because there is no wrapper around it. So this will be, globally instance of the window object. So in this case, tweet name is undefined because we have not defined anything outside this. But in case of shorthand object method syntax, this represents to this tweet object itself. So this tweet name will return to profile. Let's see that example in action. So here, like this is the arrow syntax involved here, and because this B and C are both the same, initially we are using this full form syntax, which can be recently introduced as a shorthand object syntax. But this B and C will point to this tweet object, but arrow syntax will point to the global object. Let's say first let me try to call A, it will be undefined because this would represent two global syntax. B and C are same, so both will return the profile. But let's say if you try to define this global variable, then this first thing will contain this ABC. Okay. Hope you learned something today. Have a good day ahead. Bye bye.